How to turn off or on location permission on drop off returns on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here and then settings, and here we'll find permissions. Now just wait for it, and here we'll find permissions, and then scroll down. Wait. Now scroll down, and here we'll find the location, and here is it, drop off returns. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.